So I've been exploring Credit Fresh for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Credit Fresh. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Credit Fresh. One of the advantages of Credit Fresh is its transparent application process. It's designed to provide fast access to cash, often with funds being available as soon as the next business day for approved customers. Additionally, the platform offers a revolving line of credit, which means once you're approved, you can withdraw funds as needed, similar to a credit card, but without reapplying each time. This can be helpful for covering unexpected expenses. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some cons to consider. One of the biggest cons for many borrowers is the cost. Credit Fresh charges relatively high fees compared to traditional loans, which can quickly add up if you don't pay down your balance quickly. Additionally, while the company scores well on Trustpilot, with customers praising the ease of access and convenience, there are complaints regarding customer service and high interest rates. Plus, it's only available in certain states, so not everyone will have access to its services. Overall, if you need quick cash and can't qualify for a traditional loan, Credit Fresh could be an option. However, it's crucial to understand the high fees involved and make sure you have a plan to manage repayments. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.